Hey guys, so today we're going to continue working on our reading lesson, talking about connecting words and pictures. And you should have already read this story, this fantasy called Fast Learner. And as you read, I hope that you use the picture to help you kind of understand what they were telling you in the text. And this little box right here says, how do the picture and words help you understand that this story is a fantasy? Circle something in the picture and underline the sentences that show this is a fantasy. Well, the one thing that stands out at me, hey, the dog is sitting there reading a book. And then here it says that he couldn't seem to train his owner. And then he got a book. Pepper gave him a book called How to Train Your Owner. And then look in paragraph 3. So Thunder did what the book told him to do. Again, that means that the dog Thunder would be reading it. And then in paragraph 4, it says that he repeated what he had learned, and this time it worked. And then in paragraph 5, it said it took him 3 weeks to finish the book, and he had a well-trained owner. So we know that the dog isn't going to train the owner necessarily. All right. So now let's go on to the questions, and let's take a look at the questions. So number 1 says, what is Thunder's problem? What's his problem that he is facing in this story? And I hope you look at this and you choose D. His person was hard to teach. He's trying to train his owner. What part of the story is the picture showing you? What part of that story is the picture showing you? Is how Thunder learns to train Penny? He's reading. That's how he learns how to train her. So number 3 says, look closely at the picture again. What details in the picture help make the story funny? Talk with a partner about this. So you can think about this or talk with someone about this. I just think it's hilarious when I look at this picture because I see the dog sitting back reading this. And it says how to train your owner in 30 days. This is hilarious to me. It's a cute book on how we've kind of switched the roles of an owner and a pet. So now if we go to page 359, we're going to answer our short response. And what does it want us to do? Well, it says, what is funny about the training that goes on in the story? Explain your answer using details from the story. Hint, what can Thunder and Pepper do that real dogs can't? Well, we know that they can read, right? So a sample response, I'm going to write mine, and you can compare yours to mine. And if you haven't done yours yet, pause the video, do yours, and then come back and compare. So I would put that it is funny that the dog trains the person. It's usually the other way around. Ooh, that really is messed up. It's also funny that Thunder actually reads a book on training a person. Now, we've answered this question, we've explained it, and we've used details from the story and the picture that we saw that helped us know that this is the correct answer. Okay, so yours should look a little bit like that. Remember those details, guys. Remember the details from them, and it says story and picture this time. So that's why I have the last 2 sentences there. All right, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.